What we want to do is go ahead and disconnect this harness from the ignition coil. You can press right down on the top right here, right in this unit right here, and you should be able to pull that harness back and off. If it doesn't want to come off, you can grab a screwdriver, reach down, and press down a little bit, and wiggle that harness back. Next, using a 10mm socket, an extension, I want to go down here and remove that nut right there. Before that nut comes off completely, I'm going to simply reach down, spin it off the rest of the way. This will prevent dropping it down and losing that. With that nut removed and the harness disconnected, we're going to simply reach down, grab that ignition coil, gently wiggle it back and forth and up at the same time. Should be able to twist it and pull it up and out of the way. We did put a little bit of dielectric grease on the end or inside the boot itself. Let's go ahead and lower the coil down into the cylinder. You can go ahead and rotate the coil so that the stud lines up, and then go ahead and press that down into place. Install your 10mm nut. Tighten up that 10mm nut on the ignition coil. Go ahead and grab the harness, line it up, slide it on, and you hear an audible click once that's snapped in.